What's up guys? Welcome to another vlog video. I know I've been doing a lot of vlogs lately, but it's kind of the best thing to make at the moment with my schedule. So I hope y'all are enjoying them. If not, I will have some more art videos, I promise. I will be showing some of my new art in this video, so it's gonna be more art focused. We might do like a sketch too towards the end, but yeah, so nothing really crazy today to focus on. I put together this dresser though. I don't think I showed that in the last video. A lot better than the last setup we had when we first moved in. Blankets, but yeah, I also got a TV that's way too big for this, just kind of hanging there. So we got two nightstands. Again, don't mind the mess. Two nightstands that I also put together that match. So that's cool. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all an abstract painting that I just worked on. It took me about an hour or so I was kind of just getting the feel for that, having fun with that. I did another sketch because I took like a month off from learning anime and manga style art. So I'm actually happy that I'm still pretty decent at it, and I had to look back a couple times, but I'll get there again and I'll get even better hopefully. And yeah, if you could go down below, like this video and subscribe, hit the bell notification. Okay, so this is the abstract painting I worked on. It looks a lot better from far away, like most abstract paintings do, but I love it. I haven't looked at it in probably 2 days or so. I posted it on my Instagram. Handle is mattiswithdrawn. Also, tell me if you like the video with the flash on, because I feel like it's a lot more clear, honestly. But yeah, so that's that. It's pretty small. It's like the size of my hand. I have big hands though, so that's not really saying much. Here's a Pokemon card for comparison, I guess, or maybe a sketchbook for comparison, about the same size. But yeah, that was really fun to work on. I used this thing to store all the paints in. This thing is amazing because it keeps them all fresh. I'll be making a video on this soon because I got this last year and I've been using it. And I've been meaning to make a little review on it. It's by Artist Loft. So look out for that video in the future. And yeah, so I think it's all definitely dry by now. There's a little bit of texture, not too much because it's acrylic from all these paints, as you can tell. But yeah, so that was awesome. Here is my sketchbook. Actually, I'll probably just go through it too because I don't believe I've showed this sketchbook off yet. So this was the first sketch that I did without learning how to draw in anime and manga style, from what I already knew, kind of. And you could tell from the side profile, that's not that great. I mean, it's not bad, but I definitely need improvement on that. And I'm doing it all from my head, zero references whatsoever. So that's what I'm trying to get better at. Oh, I'm gonna move this back a little bit. So this is day one, basically. Doing the 3/4 angle. I learned the circle method again, so doing the circle. And I used to just draw the head shape and then do the lines, no circle. The circle has helped me out so much, so that's a really good one for my second, or I think this is still my first day. I'm just gonna flip through these. If y'all would like to pause to see them. I'm sure this is fast enough though. I write down critical things I need to change, like top of ears too high or things like that. And I mean, with people's heads and faces, they're all different, so you go by what looks good basically, or what looks right, I should say. That doesn't look right. But still learning on and off. Practicing with some over the top expressions like anime and manga does. Some female ones, some male ones, elf ears. These are when I start getting a little better. I'm doing top view, back view, everything. So I really like how those are coming out. That was April 25th. So yeah, and that was the last one I did before I took my my month break from learning this because of moving and everything. But this is the one that I just worked on, and honestly, not too shabby. I need to brush back up on some skills, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with how it came out for taking a month break, honestly. But then I still got it. But yeah, I made ing right here. So I thought kind of just add an arrow to a bald guy. I thought it looked cool. But honestly, it looks, it's coming along. I'm still gonna do this, not daily, but as much as I can so I can learn. And because I'm still working on my manga. Okay, I also forgot to mention I installed this little mount thing for videos. So I can mount my phone and do top view, like drawing videos and stuff like that. Light's still lasting a long time, so that's pretty good. I got that on Temu, so I'm pretty happy about that. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Okay, and also comment down below if you are into Pokemon still, or if you ever were in Pokemon. Just comment like a memory you have with Pokemon or your favorite Pokemon down below. Let's get into this Twilight Masquerade. Now I haven't looked up any cards in this set, so hopefully there's some good ones. I did see this Kingdra on here, so I got hyped about that it came in this, so I don't have to hunt for it. Because I did not want to buy a bunch of packs. So we're gonna put this up. That's a nice looking card too. Super shiny. Hopefully I'm showing this good on camera because I got it in a weird position, but nonetheless, there's that. It comes with like the whole line, so I'm pretty happy about that. Okay, he is Gen 2, my bad. Gen 1, yeah, okay, Horsey is Gen 1, so that's good. Seadra is Gen 1, but Kingdra is Gen 2, I believe, because he's number 230. So that kind of sucks. I was hoping to put that in my 151 cards. I don't know why I thought he was Gen 1, but nonetheless, put this in my my binder of keeps because I like Kingdra a lot. I don't think he gets enough love, so. And let's open this. And let's hope for something good, you know? But yeah, so let's get this centered. We got a Litwick. I haven't seen any of the art for these, so this is cool. A lot of these I'm not gonna say a name because I'm not trying to get called out. Revavroom. Sunflora, that's pretty cool. Is Sunflora? Oh, he's a part of one. Or no, he's Gen 2. Gen 2, never mind. Let's see what we got. I got a Poltergeist, that's a new one. Iron Leaves, alright. So nothing crazy, I forgot there's an energy on the back. I'm like, did I get something special? No. That's a cool looking card though, honestly. That's one of those future cards. So I like that. I don't know if that's rare or if that's a normal holo. I'll have to look that up, but that's pretty cool. These are all new Pokemon, I believe, like legit new ones that just came out. So that's pretty cool. Put those in my binder. Okay, I gotta cut this here watermelon up, and I got plenty of space to do so. Love this kitchen island. This house, there's so many perks of this house, it's amazing. Let's cut this watermelon. Okay, as for the Pokemon, let's see, what could we do? Maybe we'll do like some sort of dragon thing, like a dragon seahorse, since we're talking about Kingdra. Let's make like I'm just gonna make like a circle for the head. We're gonna like map this out. So his body's gonna go like this, I think. Circle for the head. This will be like the snout part. I'm thinking like maybe a crown, like a Magikarp looking crown on top of its head for like the little sea fins or whatever you call them. just gonna map in this like snout thing. So like that. I'm gonna give him like sharp teeth. That could be cool. I'm just gonna do like a side profile, I think. There we go. Alright. I think his body will come in like this. Thinking wings as well, which will come out like that. There's that. Make his chest come out a good amount, like right there. That looks good so far. Take this. It's kind of like a Dratini sort of deal as well. I think I'm gonna give him like a ball on the end of his tail though, just to kind of change it up. Let's see. So it's gonna be a flying water type, I'd say. Okay, I like that so far. It's not bad, not bad. Gotta simplify it. This will give them like a... How did Pokemon used to do their eyes? It's like... Are they like rectangular? I think they're like this. Yeah, that looks good. Add the eye like that. Yeah, that looks pretty cute. I could go for that. We're going to have to think of a name too. Let's get like a cool spiky pattern like that. That looks cool. Kind of reminds me of like a Litten type of pattern. So it's not just straight cut, and then it goes down to there. That. The wing, I think, will just kind of swoop in like this. Yeah, I think that's okay. Just gonna cut it off like that. We'll add like a little spike right here to the wing. Connect there. Emphasize this. I'm kind of thinking of coloring this one as well. I think like add like lines. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I'll keep this page for like concept Pokemon. I'm not gonna write anything though. Okay, I think that's good for now. Let's get some colors. Let's see. I'm thinking a nice purple for the body. Let's get that nice purple. I need to sharpen this. And that's the wrong side. Nice pencil shavings everywhere. I did not get on camera either today. All right, let's sharpen this up. All right, now I'm gonna shut up for the rest of this, and I'm just gonna fast forward through the coloring process. So I will see y'all at the end. Okay, so that's the color. Now I'm gonna do the line work because that's the most satisfying, and I'm not gonna fast forward that because that's what pulls it all together. So we're just gonna ink these lines in real quick. Nothing crazy. This is always the fun part though. Hopefully it doesn't bleed through. This is like the back of the sketchbook though, so I'm not too worried if it bleeds through. I feel like this would be a middle evolution of whatever this guy is. I'm just now looking over, and here's my Spyro statue. I did not mean to do that at all, I swear. But it does look a lot like Spyro and Hydra had a baby or something. Or Cedra, sorry. But yeah, there's my random Pokemon dude. Comment down below what you think his name should be. I'll pick a name and I'll just write it on here if I remember to. And yeah, so that was fun. I actually got a little bit of drawing done this time, so that's great. Always good to get some drawing in. Definitely do some painting in a video sometime soon, because I took a picture today. I kind of want to paint in this abstracty style. So if you like this video, like I said at the beginning, please like the video, subscribe to me for more. It helps the channel out. And like I said, comment down below what you think the name of that Pokemon I just made should be. I will see y'all in the next one. The next one, I have a couple videos lined up. I just need to edit them and work a little bit more on them. But it'll possibly be the final characters for my manga, or a painting video possibly. I'm not sure, but it will be an art video. I guess I can't promise that. It could be a vlog video again, but I'm hoping for an art video. This one was technically an art video. We did a little bit of art, so I like that. I'll see y'all in the next one before I keep rambling. Peace.